And so for the pecan tree that we're going to be planting here today, what type of root quencher will we be using for that specifically, and why is that the most beneficial?
So we're going to use the full-size root quencher extended to about 18 inches so that we can encourage deep root growth. We are on a hillside here. The pecan trees generally have a pretty robust root structure as they mature, so I want to encourage that right off the bat. What happens typically with surface watering is that the roots follow and try to find the water. So if you're watering on the surface, sure enough, your roots are going to settle to the surface because that's where the water is. That's why we think this is the only way to water. So Gabby, we've got the tree in the ground. We integrated compost 50-50 and natural dirt. So now we've got a rich environment for the tree to thrive in, but we have to give it deep root watering. Surface watering is going to not allow this guy to thrive the way it should.
Right.
So now I'm going to drill, and by the way, you can drill a hole. I just happen to have the tools and the toys, but a post hole digger works great. Honestly, for a lot of applications, a trowel works fine.
Should we get to digging?
Let's get to digging.
All right. Wow, look at that go.
I mean, the root quencher was designed to be applied to existing trees. So yes, we have come into situations where we're drilling down and we're hitting some of the smaller roots. I can assure you that doesn't harm the tree. Great. Those are tiny little roots. If you were to hit a bigger root, obviously you'd want to find a different hole reposition. But since this is not around anything that's growing, this is a new terrace, we didn't hit any roots.
So now we're going to grab the root quencher and we're going to install that right next to the tree, adjacent, so that we can eventually feed water, fertilizer, compost tea, whatever's needed to help this tree grow.